Good morning. Sunday. What to do with some old fins? Well, if you can see what I've done. Well, hang on a second. Some of that. I've cut them. Like what? Because here's the problem with stuff that we buy from other countries. It's so cheap that these things, I mean, they're starting to split one. And it's cheaper to buy the strap. I'm sorry, it's cheaper to buy a whole set than it is just the strap. So, what am I going to do with them? Glad you asked. So it seems like our DIY stuff does better than personal stuff. Mud flaps. So I've got this old Jeep Cherokee that I'm working on, and I was going, man, that would look really cool. And screw them in, kind of trim out that little tab right there. Trim it out there, trim it out there. So I'll take all that and trim it on down. Take all that and trim it down. But it actually gives a nice, kind of a cool lip once you eliminate that there. So first I took a look at it. Anyways, it's a gorgeous day, man. I'm going to show you what else we're building. The signs. Had to break them down from the attic. Put a couple tires on today. These bad boys going on top of there, and we're going out. See ya.